Okay, traders, let's try this again. Let me get a mic check 1, 2. Should be volume. Let me know if there's volume, everybody. Yeah, looks like we're here. Oh, they're not going to see the new link. Okay. Oh, you're putting it on Discord. Okay, bye. Cheers. All right, give me 1 second here, everybody. It's a good morning to you. All right, hope everybody had a wonderful weekend. Something just happened. It was really weird. We started the stream and it just decided to stop streaming. So here we are on the new stream link, I guess we're going to call it. Give me 1 second here. I'm still getting set up. Folks, I was sleeping. I slept till 4:30 a.m. and to me that's sleeping in. Why is my computer being a booger? Hello? Hello? Give me 1 second here. Something is wrong with my GUI, which is really, really weird, which never happens. There we go. Hey. All right, give me a second here. All right. Okay. All right. Let's get busy, people. All right, first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the daily charts. Actually, I'm going to make it this way. There's a video I put out last night. It explains exactly what I'm looking at. That's how we're going to go with that. The one thing I'm going to add into what I put on that video yesterday is this trend line right here. That's the over-under where we're at right now. Okay. Friday's close, 29, is very, very important. All right. We're outside the narrowest range the last 7 days, so we're not using K channels on the 2-minute. And we're at this weird point where do they rotate this thing back down or do we come back into the 8 EMA on the 4-hour chart? Four-hour, 200 simple touch. They can't figure out what to do. On the NQ, do we break below it? This is going to be interesting. I can tell you I have no idea which way this thing's going to go, nor should you. No guessing. As much as I would love to say that, hey, it looks like we're going to reclaim this whole thing. Well, maybe. Maybe not. Maybe. Maybe not. Here we go. Here's where we're going. Here we go. Here's where we're going right here. See this line right here? If it looks like my eyes are bugging out, it's because this screen is back too far. So if it looks like I'm going wide peepers, it's because this screen, I can't pull it forward because the keyboard gets in the way of my mouse. So let's say we come down to this line. If we did it in a very quick fashion, that would be right about 6,010. Lots of support levels or prior buy-side liquidity levels. As we get closer to the 6015 level, man, this is really... I've decided. Here's the final decision. We're flipping the coin. All right, we're not going to screw with any of this. Whatever the coin says, heads is up, tails is down. Whatever it is, that's where we're going. It's heads. We're going up. 100% guaranteed. This coin says the stock market goes up. I'm sorry, shorts, you're out. All right. What I would like to see is what is the next move if we either catch up to the 200 simple, or we rally to it and then touch it and then go. Because look at what happened last time they touched it. I did a lot of testing yesterday on this move, and man, it's a tough one. Like, everything looks long, right? Counter long until we get right here. And then when we get right here, it's a tricky spot. There was a lot of testing in that level, if you know what I mean. What I mean by is screwing it up and rewinding it back a little bit and screwing it up and rewinding it back a little bit. That's what I mean by testing. Yeah. So what we're going to do is we're going to follow our pattern. We're going to use the KISS chart to keep us safe. Right now, we are in, this is interesting. Narrow state on the Cuatro Horas. So it's been a while since we've been in narrow state. Here's the last time we were in narrow state. They tried to sell it. It didn't work, right? So this time they've got the upward sloping 200 simple. Okay, well, I guess if they break it, we're going to, either we go down to this fair value gap right here or we don't. Okay, we either run into that order block or we don't. And what I'll do is the order block is right here. I guess that's about as planned out as we're going to get on the daily chart there. So who knows which way, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to wait for our pattern to repeat. What is the pattern? Well, that's what you are supposed to be figuring out. What is your pattern? Not what my pattern is. I'll show you what my pattern is. What is your pattern that you're working on, right? Don't I mean, it's cool to like find like a basis trade that you can work with, but then what you want to do is you want to find the data that helps you find your 100 level trade based upon probability and protection. My 26 years of experience doing this, I can get you where you need to go if you're willing to do the work. All right, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to X.com. I'm going to go to Adam Mancini 4. I'm going to grab my levels here. He calls them Technical Analysis 101. I call them Heaven Sent. I'm going to use them like they are pivots. I'm going to trade from and to them. Tomorrow is Pops' birthday, everybody. He will be 79 years young. Anyone listen to Patrick Lamb? Jazz artist. If you listen to jazz, he is very good. I met him personally a couple months ago. Very, very nice guy. Very, very, very well spoken. Very conservative. Oddly enough, for a saxophone player, he was conservative. We'll give him that. Okay. We've got 20, 42, 68, 92, 04. Got it. Okay. Good. All right, let's take a look at the calendar. Nothing. Nada. Now, tomorrow, Case Shiller and consumer confidence. A couple Fed speak. All right. Wednesday, new home sales. All right. This is a hurry up and wait week. Thursday, GDP. Thursday, GDP, you know. And then PCE, Friday. So it's a hurry up and wait type situation for the week. Good morning, everyone. I just read the chat. Wilson! Yeah, all right. Let's find, is there any big trend line we can see here? Do they just float this off the bottom like they have umpteen times before? And here's the real question. Here's what I want everyone to ask. Where's the draw in liquidity? Okay, we got some confluence there at 960. There we go. Now chat should be working. All right, so we're in chop session, chop zone. All right, don't forget to hit that like button. We're running across several platforms. Share this with your friends. Sitting at VPOC at 6060. Yep, VPOC chilling. Volume's looking all right. It's not great, but it's not terrible. We have bounced off of the V Wappleton several times now. Does it continue to hold? Do they find value there for the buy side, or is there a chance they flush right through it? We're going to find out, fam. We're going to find out. All right, this is just a Charlie Foxtrot that we're walking into, folks. I need clarity. At this time, I'm on the sidelines. You can see I got the red light on. We're sitting at VPOC, most agreed upon price by volume. Skew right. Value is high and tight. Here we go. No news. Oh, boy. All right. How was everyone's weekend? Was it good? Mine was very productive. I can't tell you what I got done because, well, a lot of charts, write-ups, stuff like that. All right, we got a bunch of updates on Tradeify starting March 1st. Tradeify Live. I'll put the link in first and then I'll explain it. Tradeify Live. Convert your sim-funded performance into up to 2 live-funded accounts. Merit accounts. Earn 3 to 4 additional live accounts funded by Tradeify. Daily payouts. Withdraw live-funded profits every day. Scale your capital. Hit targets and earn merit accounts to grow further. Risk management and support. Scale up to 15 contracts with a dedicated risk manager. Live leaderboards. 80K cap on simulated funded payouts. Traders hitting the cap will transition to live accounts at 80K. Payout structure. First 15K will no longer be 100%. Goes back to a 90-10 split starting March 1st. That's Tradeify. Tradeify. You can go straight to live, straight to funded accounts, folks. Straight to funded accounts. Tradeify. That 15 is disgusting. Ugh. The chart that's right. How do I point at it? Right here. Boop. Yucky. Is that light too bright? Oh. Oh. Sitting at the 200 simple on the 2-minute chart. Welcome back to VPOC all. Welcome back. It missed you. 22 minutes to my favorite time of the morning. Joe, we got him out of sync here. What are you thinking, buddy? This is chop. 42 or 68. Yes. Pivot point above us at 65.33. VWAP below us at 55.25. Okay, we're starting to get volume on the tape. 58.50, 59.75, and 60. No, 59.75. Okay, so now, now we got a lot of volume at 60 on the buy side. Like higher volume than any other bar, any other price per bar. We're sitting at narrow state on the 2-minute, though. Oh, sweet niblets. All right. Now, what we need to do is we need to bring the analog out, and we're just going to go ahead and explain what we're looking at. Let me show ya. Bueller. Let's get busy, people. Now, here's where we're at. We're in what we call narrow state. Just like this. This is the agreement in price. We want to trade the disagreement in price. Okay, that's what we're waiting for. That's what we're looking for. Where is the disagreement in price? That's what we're looking for. It's definitely not on the 2-minute. It is definitely not on the 2-minute. As much as I would love to go long here, ask yourself this question. When you get in a pickle, ask yourself this question. Write this down. Whenever you're wondering whether you should be in a trade or not, I want you to ask yourself, where's the draw on liquidity? You're welcome. And for that, I'll see everybody tomorrow. Good night. I'm just kidding. That'll be in 5 minutes. I'm kidding. You guys remember that Seinfeld episode? Type a Y in the chat if you remember that Seinfeld episode where they leave on the high note. And Costanza just hits it out of the park. All right, yeah, I'm out of here. I think he does it at the Yankees office, right? He did George Steinbrenner. He's like, all right, yeah, I'm out of here. He just leaves, and everybody's looking at him like, dude, we're in the middle of a meeting. What are you doing? Anyone? No, just me. Okay, that was a good episode. Anyway. Boy, we got the Charlie Foxtrot on the 30-second, on the 2-minute, on the 15. You've got the perfect equidistant bids and offers. Folks, this is equilibrium. There's no other way to think about this. This is equilibrium. We're chilling. Now, is it probably going to make a move? And I'm going to go, oh, well, I should have. Yeah, probably. Probably. Am I the only one that saw that episode of Seinfeld? I can't be. Okay, largest volume nodes of the session, 59.75 and 60 and 58.50. Here, they bought it, and here, they bought it. Now, how do we know they bought it? Well, not only did someone buy it, but apparently somebody had to sell it too, right? There's never more buyers than sellers. Remember that. There's never more buyers than sellers, right? There's never more buyers than sellers. So not only did somebody buy this by hitting the offer, okay, somebody also sold it by being the buy side liquidity, right? So now this is a transfer of hands. So now which way is it going to go? Okay, bye. Okay, bye. What is it, Kiki? What are the young guys, what do the young kids say? KK? Not KK, Kiki? Yeah, this is where people get chopped up. The Kiki. Oh, Kiki, do you love me? Now, watch your 15-minute high-to-high trend line become support at 58.75. Yeah. Yep. I'm saying that correctly. VAH for Bossman, 62.50. 62.50. Joey, did you like the pullback to 60.25? Or is this just a Charlie Foxtrot just waiting to unravel? Seinfeld was pretty funny when I was a kid. It's a lot different now. It's funny in a different way now that I watch it back. Is that a green overtakes red on the 2-minute at 60.25, as well as the 30-second pullback to 60.25? Or am I just hallucinating? Am I just trying to grasp for straws? So anyone? So you'd have a 63 target. I mean, oh my goodness, I'm going to walk away because I got severe FOMO.
Oh, I get what you're saying.
Where's Batman?
Cut from here, guy. Wink. No, 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 no. Why won't you listen to me?
Are you sure about that?
Yuck. Uh-oh. You guys know what I'm saying. I'm just complaining about it being a premium. Nonetheless, it doesn't look right. So the first draw I see was 62. Ouch. Somebody just got their pee-pee slapped at 62. Hopefully they got filled, right? Hopefully their pee-pee got filled. Hmm. Session high is 67.50. It's a trap. I am sidelines. I'll be right back. I do not want to condone anyone trading this. As much as I'd love to say there's some sort of perfect setup coming up, I don't see it. So really what we're looking for is how do they set this up for the opening bell, right? Let's think about this. If they're just meandering along, are they waiting for some sort of are they waiting for the opening bell? And do we find a draw on liquidity or a run on liquidity before or after the bell? I want you all to think about that, right? Like, folks, this is a run on liquidity. This is a draw on liquidity. This is a draw on liquidity. 20 people just got caught off sides. I'm not saying that's the top, but these are the things we're looking for. Look right here. Rink. Bink. Okay. Bink. Look at that one tick right here. Look at this. Ouch. Remember where you got caught every time, folks? Okay, see it? See how they're just binking them both sides? Bink, 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 ka-bink, 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 right? Oh, yes, kaboom, right? So what we're looking for is where do we find shkabink in our process, which lines up with our context using probability and protection. Let's get it. Don't know. I don't know that answer. Oh, man. I think they touched that. I think they need a little more draw on the bottom, guys. If it pops straight through, well, then we're going to look for a different pattern. I think they need to draw. Okay. Or, I want to remind you, or the draw is to the top side. Why would I say that? Type it in before I show you. It's on my chart. Just look at it. Why would I say that? Why would I say that there could be the draw on the top side of it? Think about the rules. Think about all the things that we talk about all the time. What's the main thing we talk about? What was Velez's video about this weekend? I gave the answer away. Hello. Hola, es como estás? No one? Are we just sitting here? Hello? Is this thing on? Why would I be asking if they're just looking for draws on the buy side? I think my chat is broken. Those of you on Kick, Those of you on Kick, why am I looking to see if they're taking buy side lick? Bueller. Nobody can answer why I'm looking to see if there's buy side liquidity to see if they sell it. It's on the chart. It's on my screens, everybody. It's on your screens. If you don't know it, what the fuck are you doing here? Tell me you're trading with real money and you don't know the answer. Tell me. I think you guys are fucking with me. Or the chat's broken, one or the other. I'm not giving you the answer. Those of you that know the answer that are actually professional traders, right? You guys are probably crawling in your skin waiting to answer. Go on. Oh, my God. Folks, book the call with your coach if you don't know the answer. Technical Analysis 101. Why would we be looking for sell side? Why would we be looking for sellers on the buy side lick? Technical Analysis 101. What's the main component? Go on. It is the... Hey, keep it simple. Right? What's the answer? I think you guys are messing with me now. I haven't shown 600 people how to do this correctly for no one to answer the easiest question I've ever given. My God. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Are you sure about that?
All right. Do they find a run on buy side lick or not? Folks, that wasn't a multiple choice question. The answer to that question was not yes. There was a very specific answer to the question. My eyes are watering because I can't tell if you guys are messing with me or not. I really can't tell. There's only one answer to the question that I gave. Okay. In our process, when we are keeping it simple, why would I be looking to see if there's buy-side liquidity draw more than I'd be looking for sell-side liquidity draw? When I'm keeping it simple, what would be my answer? No one? No one. 92 people minimum don't know that answer. Am I not doing my job? There's 30 videos about it. I speak about it 74 times a day. It's the basis of everything that I do. Anyone? I've given enough clues. I like to keep it simple. Is the kiss green? Is the kiss green? No. No, stop. There's no way it could be on the 15-minute chart. What about the 15-minute chart that tells us that we're watching to see if they sell buy-side liquidity? What on the 15-minute chart tells us that's what we're watching? Go on. Someone out of 94 people has actually thrown the quarter in. Now you guys are getting somewhere. You'll never forget what I'm telling you because of this silliness that's ensuing right now. You guys have made this way too complicated, and that's why you're not succeeding. What line tells you that you're looking for sellers on buy-side liquidity? 93 people type it in now that Ian gave the clue. Type it in. You guys need to pay attention. Otherwise, go away. You're wasting your family's time. I'm sorry. The question that I have posed to the group, and it is not multiple choice. Why am I wondering what they do with buy-side liquidity? What on my chart would tell me to watch for sellers on the buy-side liquidity? Type it in a complete sentence so we can finish this silliness. Please. And I'm not actually upset. I'm being theatrical here, if you guys haven't figured that out. Okay, now the 100 of you now know I'm watching to see if they find buy-side liquidity sellers because the 15-minute kiss chart is down, not up. It only took 20 minutes to get the answer. Let's go. Today's stream and cheers is brought to you by the 15-minute 200 simple pointing down. Let's get the cheers in the air, fam. Cheers, everybody. You'll never forget it. You'll never forget that we literally just took 15 minutes to answer a very simple question. That should be the first thing that you look at. Now you all know what I'm looking at. Oh, man, that was painful, you guys. Folks, either you need some caffeine or you need some Adderall. Okay, or you guys need a coach. And I'm only picking on you guys. Come on. I'm only picking on you. This isn't fun. This isn't fun. This is what happens when there's no trades. There's nothing to trade here. Think about the people that just got clipped by stopping right above those white lines that I put on there. When we get down to the white lines below, watch for the people that get sell stopped in or out of the move, and then it goes back in the other direction. That would be a draw on liquidity. It could be a grab or a sweep, right? Great job on me keeping you guys occupied with my shenanigans, keeping you from going long at 62. You're welcome. Hangover Monday. So you drank on Sunday? Is that what you're saying? Oh. That's quite the drop there, folks. They got him 3 times up there. They got an equal level draw. They got a 1-tick draw, and then they got a 2-tick draw on the 1-tick draw. Okay. They're nibbling up there. You can see it. I think we have this drawn perfectly, right? We've got our levels. Mr. Coach Fred. And that's what fueled it, Coach Fred. Great eye, great eye. See, now look, it's playing out. You see why I was so adamant about what I just shared with you? Because old losing Rev was dying to go long on that counter trend 8 and 20 moving averages. Okay, now look at it. Poof. That would have pissed me off. The old me would have got stopped out and going, well, look, it's a perfect move. We're above the blah, blah, blah. No, look at the 15-minute chart, right? We trade the 15-minute chart. We enter on the 2. Okay? That's the secret sauce, folks. Let's go. All right, back to the VWAP. Back to the VWAP. How many of you are a big fan of the song Back to the Hotel by In Too Deep? Back in, it would have been 1990. 1990. That is quite the drop there. It's an LW win. Let's go. I remember I was at Pete Iverson's house. If you guys don't know who Pete Iverson is, you can just Google it. It's one of my best friends from like first grade. He's a dentist now. He was a professional snowboarder for Ride Snowboards. One of my good friends. Boy, they dropped that thing right up into the business, didn't they? All right, so now are we looking for the draw? Or do they run it? Okay, because we were looking for the draw on the top side, just like we got. Look at that. That is absolutely Deutschne. That 15 minutes still pretty ugly, though. Pretty ugly. All right, so now is this where they find the sell side liquidity to draw on? Take note that we're just sitting inside of that 15-minute exhaustion bar. Those of you on Kick, X.com, and the Facebook group, welcome. Hello. And obviously, those of you on YouTube, what's going on? We are live across all the platforms. We will be on Instagram and TikTok here shortly. It's just a different format, so it's not really coming from my computer. So we have to figure out what we're going to do there. I could just do a face shot. I could just put my iPad on here somewhere in a stand. Yeah, I could do that. Let's go, Mr. Lewis. Yeah, that's a good entry. I like that. Is that on 30-second chart? Or is that on the 2-minute? Either way, it's groovy. It's groovy, baby. Love it. Love it. I see it on both of them. Clean, clean. Love it. Got a little movement there. Position 1 down. 15 minute, 2 minute. Do they draw down here or do they run? It's going to be a late cheers for Jason. Cheers, buddy. I'll cheers you. Okay, notice the test and fail level. And notice we have it drawn perfectly before it even happened. Look at this. We drew these white lines. Those of you that weren't in here, which most of you were because we're still at just around 100 viewers. We drew these white lines for, look at the strength of this one tick. Okay, one tick, 2 ticks. Ouch. Ow. As E.T. would say, owie. Or was it ouch? All right, they made it to they made it to VAL 52. Now what? So is this where they find the draw on liquidity or not? It's at our levels that we have drawn. Morning. Hey Siri, play classical music. Hey, it looks like I have hair. Look. See, I'm not bald. You guys call me bald. Ah, I'm only half bald. Stop. You're not going to offend me. Trust me. As I tell my buddy Andre, he can put his what do I tell him? Yeah, you can take the focus off your waistline by putting it on my hairline. Go ahead. Go ahead. I'm cool with it. Take all the focus off your waistline and put it on my hairline. I'm cool with that. $50.75 is a target. I absolutely just balked on that. 52.50 short with a 54.25 stop. There's the target. 50.75. God damn it, man. I don't know if I would have gotten filled. 52.50. Yeah, it would have filled. God damn it, man. That was it. That was it. That was the trade. Son of a biscuit eater. There's your 49 dubs. There's your 49 dubs. Good, 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 good. I don't see 53.20. Well, okay, I do. I just 52.50 was very clear though on the 30-second chart with the 2 minute, right? In fractal position 1. We just went below VWAP. We just broke VWAP. VWAP broke, structure broke. We just popped through the bottom side of VAL. I was too undecided on my stop when it should have just been one bar. Risk one bar and get in and get out and be done with it. Be done with you. That's what they wanted you to want. They want you to want VWAP. They need you to need VWAP. They love you to love VWAP. I'm saying that song right. Correct, right? Tell me if I'm singing it wrong. Okay, 51.75 over under. Here we go. Good eye. 20 seconds till the opening bell. Here we go. So the question is, did they get enough draw on lick on the top side? Okay, or do they need more draw on lick and they're going to bring it back up so they can sell it again? Okay, or on the larger time frame, did they find they could eat down here and they're going to take it higher? That's what we're watching. Let's lock in. Wow. They like that. They like that draw. You guys see that? Right into that fair value gap. The only open gap they had down there, and they took it. They said, nope, you can't. That is our money. Look at that. Wow. You got a huge inverted hammer starting to play on the 15-minute chart, but you've got 10 minutes till that bar closes. Ooh, was this the massive grab they were looking for? Or, well, turning into a sweep. Okay, if you're following the white lines, right? That's a sweep of buy-side liquidity. Okay, but if you look at the 15-minute chart, you've got a perfect hammer on lower Keltner. Ugh. Inverted hammer, counter trend. You got 10 minutes, the bar closes. Last call for alcohol. You don't have to go home, but you can't stay here. Okay, they have a beautiful liquidity grab above 59. Oh, they slap chopped him on that one. Oof. Oofta, as mom would say. Oofta. $51 hole. 47 quarter hole. Man, you guys are just killing it. I just don't see them. I guess you guys are better traders than me. I just don't see it. I see chop, yuck. Or maybe I'm not looking for a trade. I don't know. I can't figure it out, but I don't see anything. That last one had an 8.5 point stop, 9 point stop. Indeed. All right, Mancini 42.20, 42.68. Overnight session low right here at 43. Position one to the downside. That is faux gristle. Are you guys short or not looking for longs? Shall I say? Oh, this is annoying that I'm not in this trade. I don't see it though. I don't see an entry. Should I just hit market right here and then it can go up? Okay, you're at the last line of defense here, folks. Before we crash into the fence. Into defense. That was terrible. Yeah, it's got to create a stop if you're going to go long, right? Whew. Whoa. I guess I needed that yawn stretch more than I thought. That made my legs go numb. There's your first target, 44.25. Okay, final target will be 46. Apparently I didn't see it. Yeah, you guys should be almost all the way out of that risk free because that's completely counter trend. Rat hole.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Let's go. Perfect. Perfect. Let's go. That's what's up, fam. That's what's up. That was beautiful. 41.25 to 38.25 for three. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful for 3 points. That was on the 2-minute chart. The breakdown stop was literally above that bar. We didn't want to give up any more than 43.50 stop on that 2-minute bar. 125 was the sell. Okay, now I'm going to be a little bit more patient. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I had a sell stop. It hit the sell stop on the MES before it hit the sell stop on the ES. I was like, So then what happened is it didn't move. So it moved all it moved the MES stop because I was able to move the MES stop, but it didn't move the ES stop once it got filled. So I had to manually move that, but everything worked good. We are flat on all accounts. That was beautiful. That made up most of what I lost on Friday. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's get it. That was clean. And Jesse is done. Bye, Jesse. Everybody say bye-bye to Jesse. Stay frosty. They had to fill that pothole at 41. I see no potholes. Just at a quick glance, I see no potholes above. I believe I had a 7-tick stop in that. I had a 9-tick stop in that, and I got 12 ticks. So I'm going to take that as a win. Beautiful. Plus greater than 1R. Okay, volume at 4150 by 4250. He's leaning into the bid, starting at 41 to 42. There he goes. Yeah, he got traction on that one. So now be careful. If you're trying to buy the bottom, I don't recommend it. Unless it's buy to close. You know, I'm always okay with buy to close. Wow, the market's only been open for 17 minutes. That is interesting. Gee, did you buy those Jordan 3s on Saturday? I did not, because I figured out when they're only $200, you can assume that they're not going to sell through. Okay, now I could be completely wrong, right? But when they're $225, you can assume they're going to sell through. Yeah, between 41 and 42 quart, they got quite the volume. I bet you can still buy them. Here's the deal: if you can still buy them, I'll probably buy a pair because they actually look really clean. They're the white with my secret shorts or something like that. My favorite shorts or something is what the name of them is. Yeah, the resale is probably real close to that 200. If it doesn't say like 290, right? Because why would you resell it if you can still buy it? Here, Hibbit will tell us we can still buy it. Still available. Still available, G. Hibbit just texted me as I was saying that. You can still buy them. Now the question is, what sizes are left? All of them. Only 12 and a half, 16, 17, and 18 are gone. I don't know. That's kind of a sick shoe, though. It's kind of a sick shoe. Anyone short 39.75, start taking profit. 39.75 short, start taking profit. That's clean. There it goes, baby. All right, what was the number below Mancini? 20. 20. Let's go, Dubs. Because the old you would have tried to go long there, right? Ooh. Ooh. See ya. Thanks, buddy. All right, so now, in hindsight, you can all see why I was so adamant about you guys figuring out why we were only looking for sellers on buy-side liquidity. Does it make sense now? So many people get caught up in the 2-minute chart that they forget to look at what's actually happening on a wider time frame, right? Some of you guys are literally looking like this. Like the screen is right here. You're like, why do I not see anything? Okay, relax, zoom out, right? Take a look. Take a look at the grander view, shall you? The 15-minute 200 was saying, I don't care. Let this thing go higher. I'm looking to sell into it. Look at the chart. Am I pointing the right way? Oh. Look at this chart. That is too bright. I don't know, G. I might have to buy these, G. What do you think? Eligible for Klarna, 4 payments. Look, if you can't afford $200 Jordans, you can't be buying the $200 Jordans. Okay? Don't do it. $116 people watching. How many likes we got across all channels? 116 people watching. There's actually a lot more than that. It just doesn't show all of them. And we are green. We are crushing souls. Everything looks great. Wow, I should have held. It's beautiful, though. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's a thing of beauty, folks. It's a thing of beauty. That's the beauty of it, son. Instead of a dog chasing you all day, it's your foot of a dog's ass all day long. Bang, bang, bang. What movie is that from? Answer it correctly and I'll give you a shout out. Oh my God, this thing is just dripping. Oh, Jason Driver, you are the winner. Felix, you are the winner. Wow, I wish I were still short. I would be a winner. Oh, I closed at 38. It's at 24. Oh, God. Oh, how did Mancini know 20 was coming? Look at the bracket around 20. In the goddamn refrigerator. Eating all the food. All the hog maws. I like hog maws. I like pig's feet. Now, son, last night before we went to bed, didn't I tell you to take out the trash? Yeah. Well, I fell asleep. I wish you were sleeping right now. I'd knock you upside your head with a left hook, make you take out the trash. Speaking of taking out the trash, they are taking out the trash, fam. We are below the lows. 30 was the low, right? Am I seeing that correctly? Oh, yeah. Oh, buckle up, fam. Buckle up, fam. Let's get it. I am liking this. Now, can I just get a trade? Oh. I love pig's feet. He says, you better put some water on that damn shit. You guys don't know how many times I've seen that movie. And I didn't even partake when I saw that movie 1,000 times. Okay, you got a buyer at 25. Does he get crushed? Does he get cockroach status? I like hog maw. I like pig's feet. Please make sure, if you're on YouTube, please make sure the live button is red. What you trying to do? Build a clubhouse, he says? You get fired for stealing boxes. What you trying to do? Build a clubhouse? I didn't steal no boxes, man. Oh, my God. Stop. All right, if you're short, like, just pull your stop down. 20. Guys, start taking them out. It's all gonna be some sort of front running event here, or we're gonna go. Careful, you guys are fighting the big boys now. You guys know what to do down here. Pull that stop down. Don't give it back, okay? Because right now your stop is still 27. That's 6 points. That's more than you make in a day at your job. Most of you. Don't give it back. $350, 350 USD is what the average American makes in a day. Most people make about 120 bucks. Most people make $120 a day and they live off of it, whether they like it or not. $15 an hour, right? Times 8, 120 bucks. Take taxes out, you get $90 a day. Okay? So, now, those of you that have these extravagant, I'm going to make $3,000 a day or I'm not happy. How much do you make at your job? I make $137 a day. So you're going to make $3,000 a day. Yes, that's the plan. Okay. And what does your coach say about it? Well, I haven't talked to a coach yet. I haven't got one yet. Got it. Yeah, but there's this guy on the internet. He said, if I just do this, it's like, the guy on YouTube's going to tell you that, huh? All right. All right. All right, so 25 over under by tape. They have just leaned into them hard, fam, hard. We are below yesterday's close and low. Battleship sunk. 20, Mancini, what now? Wow. Okay, 28 must recover. 0493 next. Mm-hmm. 93? There's no way we go to 93. Folks, there's no way we go to 93. All right, Mr. Lewis. Peace, love, and hair grease. 1875 catching a bid. BK Watcher over under 1875. I'm not saying they're buying it. I'm saying you've got volume coming through. They're taking the offer at that price, just like they did at 25, and they dropped it. So 1875 over yonder. Over yonder. Okay, position one downside. Hopefully you guys are green. Hopefully you guys have taken some trades, locked them in. 28 reclaim. 28 reclaim. 1875 by 25 is your tape. Lots of absorption here if you're wondering, below 20 on the tape. Lots. They had a little bit of a pothole to fill at 20 quarter. Did you guys see that? 287 by 2 at 20. Oh, man. Are they about to hammer this thing again? Oh, sweet niblets. Here comes your 14s, G. Good call, buddy. Watch 1450. There's your 14s. There's your 13s. Gosh, dang it. Oh, man. Oh, man, that hurts. That hurts. That hurts. That hurts. Yeah, there's a short at 17 with a 21 stop. Now, do you guys see why I'm all cash? What you know, I was a week early. So what? We're only down 0.3%. We were up 0.6%, so we've rotated. What do you guys think about that 15-minute KISS chart saying, don't go long, don't be stupid, don't be cannon fodder? I wish I would have held. I'd be up another 28 points. Okay, 0493 are the targets. I'm sure he'll have new ones here in a minute when they hit. Here comes your 04. Oh, goodness gracious. Why am I not in this? Yep, that's right. That's right. 28 has to reclaim now. Okay, there's your 4s. There's your 4s. Wow. Yeah, if 28 doesn't reclaim like now, 93 coming. Now, it doesn't mean short 04 to 93. That's not what it means. Oh, this hurts to watch. Oh, I hate to be the guy complaining, but what in the hell, man? This sucks. This price action made that whole debate earlier when I gave the 15-minute dramatices. Okay. That was so worth it. I hope that plays back. I hope 1,000 people get to watch that and learn from what happened up there. That was one of the most critical learning points in your trading career, and you don't even know it. It's really weird that there's not 116 people talking about, damn, how did he know? How did he know to yell at us when we were trying to buy the uptick? How did he know? Okay, get with me and I'll show you how I know. Okay, here's the link. I'm going to put the link in the YouTube chat. Okay. SageFT.com. Get with me one-on-one. I'll show you. It's not a secret. I'll show you. Okay. Book the 3 coaching calls. We're going to get you where you need to be. Give me 4 months of your time. I'm going to change you. Yeah, Isaiah, this is no joke. This is hard to watch.
Oh, I get what you're saying. I got it from here, guy. Wink. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Why won't you listen to me?
Okay, it's cautious position 1 short, right? But we're just so far down that it's like, oh my God, it just feels like we're shorting into the bottom. Now notice, once we broke that 30, right, there was nothing but the crying for the buyers. God damn, why did I not sell right there? No, what's insane is trying to catch the bottom. Right? That's Nick, that's what's actually insane. Old losing you, trying to, right here. Right? Oh. That's what's insane. Oh, look, if you would have bought it when you said it. Shut up. Shut up. '28's the reclaim. If you think it can't go to 28, go long right now. If you think it can't go to 28, damn. Let it bounce. Let it bounce. Trying to call a top is going to hurt just as much as trying to call a bottom. Yeah. Hey, remember that, Zach? Remember? Oh my God. It's oversold. It's oversold. Yeah. What is the saying? It can stay oversold longer than your account can remain solvent. That is nothing but the truth. Okay, 30-second chart is at that decision area. First touch of the 32 SMA on your 30-second chart. $20 points off the lows. Wow. Wow, quite the move. Quite the move. Quite the move. 20 points off the lows. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There's no way it goes lower, right? There's no way. Okay. Yeesh. Yeesh. Careful.
Watch yourself.
Watching 11. Oh, I chickened out. Back. Back. Nope. Just too risky for me as far as I'm concerned. Watching to see if they can get some 11s, though. I don't know. Poof. Well, I hope we get another trade in the next 47 minutes. I would love to get uno mas por faves before I end the stream. Oh yeah. Mistakes. Come on. I've got them all. If you need to know what mistakes, okay. If you need a list of mistakes, just ask. Zach, do you remember that one time you shorted 3 contracts and it went up like 15 or 20 points, right? And I kept texting you. I'm like, dude, are you still short? Dude, are you still short? And you're like, yeah. Why? Dude, you're off sides by like 15 points. And you texted me and you go, it's 3 contracts. I was like, oh my God, I feel so stupid. Oh my God. Yeah, but you're down 20 points. He said, it's 3 contracts. Oh, right. There's the relativity portion of Earth that I forget about. Right. Got it. And then it slaughtered for like 30 or 40 points afterwards. If you're wondering what the result was, the trade crushed it. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. All right, right? Forget it. Oh my God. All right, 28 to reclaim, which would be the low of Friday, right? Am I seeing that correctly? Roughly about that number? Okay, you do have that pinprick that went right on down into the old testicular region around 6011. That was what they call the old slap chop. Because think of all the people that wanted to short that bar when it was red. Okay, start drawing your low to low, fam. Just don't be the first person to sell, because you could be the cannon fodder that they're looking for. Let's go, Kyle. Let's go, Kyle. God damn it, Kyle. Wow, look at them taking it. They like it down here. Three Fridays ago, Zach, I did that. I saw the perfect short, so I entered. Okay, thought I was short, moved what I thought was my target down 14 points, and it happened to be my stop. Blew out 6 counts. Boom, gone. So I put myself in the penalty box for about a week and a half as you guys were watching that happen. And now I'm slowly crawling my way out of said penalty box. Doing pretty good. I had a red day Friday. Other than that, I have been green ever since. Ever since the dum. Why does this look like a trap? Yes, he said yes. Now, I didn't do it with that size, but I absolutely know what you're talking about because I did do it and blow 8 of 6 accounts. So yeah, the pain was still there. Oh God, I just missed it again. I just missed it at 1750 with the 19 stop. Damn it. Oofta. Next. I hate it because I have to zoom in on my charts to see anything. Kyle, you're being so polite, buddy. Kyle, remember when you used to ask a million questions? And you're like, what? What? And now you're just, it's so great to see. I love it. Lou actually shorted 24. Zach, sorry. Guys, if you don't know, Lou is not our favorite person. We don't love Lou. Okay, we make fun of Lou. Lou told us that Zach and I's trading would never make money because Lou made $2,000 in 1 month before. What? Zach, is your uptick and downtick greater than $2,000? Oh my God. You can be just like Lou. All you have to do is buy the very, very bottom, and 20 minutes from now, tell us if it goes in the right direction. You too can be like Lou. God, man. Oh, that guy. I met that guy through Christopher Terry. If you guys don't know who Christopher Terry is, Google it. You're welcome. Okay, watching 1525 on the 2-minute chart. 1525 over under. It would be kind of a counter trend G-man long at 1525. But the problem is the opportunity cost of said trade is too great. 21.25 if you're long, 21.25 if you're long. No, it's actually 21. I apologize. I have no trades on. $20.75 is a target. Oh, we got one tick from it. And Joey's pointing out the 96 SMA on the 30-second chart. Miss Robin, let's go. Oh, that's a good short. Okay, I'm watching 18. I can't place the stop yet, though. Okay, 1375 or 2225 first. You'll hear my orders if I put one on. I think it's funny how all of the news shifted over the weekend. Anyone recognize that? Now Trump is the bad man again. Oh my God, it's so silly. Yeah, then he'll be the worst person ever in the world for allowing one side to have peace and not the other, right? Okay, we got the red, white, and blue out of order. We've got blue, red, and white. Or white, red, and blue. Okay, watch a 19 with a 21 quarter stop. Ugh. Ugh. Ugh, I don't love it. 1675 target. It already hit, though. Damn. Damn. Damn, Miss Parker. Okay. I was wrong. There's the winner. Damn it. Okay, so you have a possible short on the 2 minute, but you've got a minute and a half till the bar closes. You'd be looking around 9s or 10s for a target. It was easier on the 30-second chart. Oh, that was the short. You could have went 1875. You could have went 19. You could have went 17, 20, 50. No! Son of a biscuit. Okay, watch yourself. Watch yourself. Decision point, 12 court, 12 court. On the 30-second chart, 12 court. Either they run this bad boy or they're going to find the draw. Here we go. Here we go. You can see it. Yeah, you see it right here. Weak players trying to go long. Okay, weak players buying to open. Strong players buying to close. See the difference? Big difference. Mucho, mucho, mucho. 975 is your target if you're short on the 2 minute chart. It didn't close at the right spot, but if you were brave, you were able to get in. I have no trades on. I'm just drawing stuff. I do like the short on the 2 minute chart just for the fact that you have a right hand shoulder that is lower than the left. So it looks like this. There's your 10s. There's your 10s. There's your 10s, fam. There's your 975s. Just like we said. Oh, God. Right. $150 target. I balked. I wouldn't have gotten filled anyway because it didn't uptick to 12 quarter. 150. Oh, man, I missed this one. All right. 5 seconds till the half after the hour, half till the hour. Watch yourself here. There you go. Let this bar play. So you're saying to restore order, they would have to push price down to make it red, white, and blue. I'm under. That's what you're saying, right, Joey? For those of you that are wondering what the hell we're talking about, we're on the 30-second chart. We're talking about red, white, and blue. Okay? Red, white, and blue. When they're in that order, that's when the algorithms run correctly. What Joey is saying is when they get out of line and you have white, red, and blue, they have to push the price in a direction to make them return to red, white, and blue. Does that make sense? He'll show more examples of it as time goes. Don't try to process it all at once. And I see what you're saying. So it would need to go above blue and thrust to make it correct, or it would need to flush to make it correct. Is that what you're saying, Joey? Yep. Out of order is trap. Okay. Cool. And what he means here, I'll show you. I'll show you what he means by out of order. Look, it's white, red, and blue. It's supposed to be red, white, blue. Okay. Or if it's going up, it's red, white, blue. Okay. So right now it's white, red, blue. So what Joey is saying is it has to thrust or dip in one direction to fix the order of said moving averages. Good. That's a pretty good entry, Nick. Damn. I just don't like counter trend right now. I mean, it's not like completely terrible, but wow, I should have stayed short. Oh my God. Target 0825, target 0820, 0750. Sorry about that. 0750 target if you're short. I don't think it would have. I don't think it would have filled me at 1125 if I would have shorted though. 750 target. Did they just front run them? 750 prints 33 times. Oh, that is a beautiful trade. You wouldn't have been filled, though. The opportunity cost of going long was too great. Okay, the opportunity cost of going long, you had to factor in missing the short. Oh, I just missed that trade at 1125. I don't know if I would have been filled. We do have a perfect short actually forming on the 2-minute chart, but it's got a big stop. this stuff. I don't like any of it. This is awesome. This is all a bunch of tomfoolery. So the question is, here's the question, and this will kind of bring us back in line. Where's the draw on liquidity, right? We're at the draw on liquidity. Do you guys see it? We're at where I wanted you to watch. Look, we're at the low to low trend line, or excuse me, high to high trend line from the all-time high. Look. Shkaboink, right here. Decision point, right here. Either we go a lot lower into that fair value gap, okay, which the next thing that we're looking at, right, is 59.60, right? And then we're back into the fair value gap that's much lower on the daily chart. This is the draw on liquidity. This is the test area. What do they do? What do they do? And I do like the 875 short. There's a 6-point stop though. Too late in the game. And the reason I say too late in the game is on the 2-minute chart, that big reversal bar says be careful. 0275 if you're actually short. Ooh, this is going to hurt to watch. Ooh. Right. Oh. Oh, fuddy-duddy. There you guys go. Joey, when it goes into order, do you take the next red overtakes green, or do you wait for the next pullback? 275 target, whatever you're doing on the 2-minute chart, fam. 2-minute chart. Copy. Okay. All right, folks. We got about 10 minutes left of the stream. I'm green. I do feel like I'm chasing down here. I am chilling. I'm chilling like a billin'. Hanging with Bob Dylan. I would have to look at that. By flat top candle, do you mean it closes at the high of the bar? Or do you mean there's a series of candles that kind of erode time? Show an example, Jason, over in Discord Trader Chatter. No, I haven't changed my hours at all. Eight 875 is my over under. 875. Okay, and then are they trying to sell the 1075s? on the 2-minute chart. Oh man, I was just about to do 10. I was about to do 10 with a 9 stop, but they're just so quick. It's almost impossible to get first target on them unless you have the bracket created already. Was that the pinprick? Does it go straight to 450 now? $450 target, $450 target, $450 target. It didn't give me my entry on the 2-minute chart. I still had like a minute and 10 seconds left when I saw it. So okay, 475 printed. Do they get 450? Do they get 450? Show me 450. That's the target. It's 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, 875. I have no trades on. 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. And so what Joe is saying here is the way to get it back in order, right? The way to get these moving averages back in order here would, to get this white one in between the blue and red, they have to flush it. Okay. The only way they're going to get red above the white is to run it hard, right? That's what he keeps saying. If you're wondering, how do you get them back in line? How do you get them back to red, white, and blue? You have to run price. So the challenge is, which way do they run price, and how do we step in front of it? Or join it would be the right word. Yep. Great question, David. Great question. Now, is it really bullish if they can't get to that 450? I know that it went one tick from it, and there was 8 contracts traded at it. Testing. Hello, hello. Welcome. The person that just posted on Twitter. Hello, hello. We see you live and direct. Live and direct. Hey, watching the 04. Did 450 just print? 450 printed. There it goes. There's your 450, fam. There's your 450. You got it. The rarest breed of Nigerian kings. Welcome. Welcome on Twitter. I balked at 875. My stop was 13 quarter if I would have taken it. No! You could see it on the 2-minute chart. Very, very clear. No! Did you just Britney us? You did, didn't you? You just Britneyed the crowd. Let's go, Kyle. Okay, 93 if 04 fails, 93 if 04 fails. $83.57. Okay, you can be cautiously short in position 1. That's why we've got the yellow instead of red or green. $8.75 is my over-under, fam. Hasn't changed. Because it was where there was a lot of sell signals on the 2-minute chart. So now all those people that were weak have to make a decision. Okay, let's watch. All right, we'll run the stream for a few more minutes, folks. We might get another trade. We might get Uno Mas, poor faves. We might. So ask yourself, folks, Was the draw on liquidity below 4 all that they needed or not? Don't ask yourself, ask the market. It will tell you. You have to wait for the answer. Oh, whoa, whoa. We got some volatility coming in here, folks. Oh, we're supposed to be short 09. Two ticks from the target if you were taking it. I have no trades on. Clearly, you'll hear my orders. You'll see them in that little box down here below me. 09, watching 09. I have no trades on. I am. I'm waiting for that white to go under the blue. The question is, does it give me a better stop when it does? 550 if you're short. Ooh. Here, look. Here's how I have it drawn on the 30-second chart. And because we're looking right at the 2-minute chart, you see this? There's your 550s, folks. There's your 550s. Son of a biscuit eater. Son of a biscuit eater. Oh, man, I missed that one. Oh. 09 or 0925? David? Yes. And I wasn't in either of them. Oh, my God. Okay, that one hurt. That one actually hurt. 02 is your 2R. 2R. There you go. Ooh. Ooh, that one hurt. Yikes. Yeah, I see it, Joey. That's why I'm sitting here stewing. Oh, that was it. 09. Okay, now see it on the 2-minute. Okay, ready? Ready? Let me draw it. Ready? It's very accurate. Watch this. And here's the 30-second chart. Look at this. It doesn't get any clearer than what I just missed. God, that's terrible. There's the trade, folks. Take a picture of it. It'll last longer. Okay? Shows 15-minute, 2-minute, shows everything. Okay? We'll put that in Discord as legit AF. That was the trade, folks. Dang it. Okay. I'm never missing that trade again. All right. We'll go for about another 5 minutes and we'll get up out of here. We'll go for another 5. We'll be over in the Discord. We've got a free Discord. Discord.gg/SageFT. Come join us. The savages you see trading in here will also be in the Discord. Showing what they see. 57. That's a long ways down, fam. That is a long ways down there. Yeah, I'm stewing, Joey. You can't see it on my face. Maybe you can, but I'm stewing. I'm green, right? I'm plus 3 points in all accounts, right? But all right. So now here's the deal. If you missed this one, or you just weren't sure of it, okay, or you missed it, what are you doing to prepare to never miss it again? That's the question you have to ask yourself, folks. And what we're going to do is we'll end the stream right here because I'm not going to sell in the hole, right? I'm not going to short in the hole, right? So we'll leave it at that. I put a picture of it over in Discord so you guys can see what happens when you trade with position 1 on the 15, position 1 on the 2, position 1 on the G-Buck chart, right? On the 30-second chart, and you wait for the pullback and you wait for the proper area to execute. Okay. Now, obviously I missed a trade, but I definitely showed you guys what the trade was. Therefore, we don't miss it again. We want to look at them in hindsight to prepare ourselves for the next time they come. That's going to do it for me. Make sure you're getting with your coach. If you're struggling today, you need a coach. Today is trend down position 1 short only. If you haven't taken a trade today, get with your coach. Joey, I'm kidding. I can't even beat that. I can't even beat what I just said. That's going to do it for me, fam. I'm going to do the review real quick. We'll get that out to all socials. Hey, those of you that are on all of your socials, feel free to type in, say hi to us, hit the test button. We're live all across all socials. We're going to get on more socials as we go along. We will see everyone tomorrow. Good night.